Now we will show how microwaves affect soap. To do this, we will disassemble the microwave and get the magnetron out of it. Oops. Cooling system. Water will flow from here through the radiator to keep it from overheating. It is very important.
Laundry soap.
Oh man, gotta keep going.
Regular soap. It turned out a soap monster. It is hot. A piece of soap. Oh my. CD against microwaves. Who will win? Wow. Sparks. The disc is like an antenna. It converts electromagnetic waves into electricity. Don't do this at home. Microwaves are not a joke to you. Waves propagate across the disc and leave such patterns. DVDRW.
What is that white thing?
It's a plate.
No, not this. Here is the box. What is this box? Tell me.
I don't know.
Microwave.
And whose is it?
Brought in for repairs.
For repairs?
Yes.
So what? Will you repair it?
Yes.
Look at the disc.
Oh. Better go to the house.
We can't.
It might kill you. Are not you afraid?
For what?
What if a bomb falls?
What if it's on the roof?
Don't say that, Pasha.
What?
Do you hear how the plane flies?
Yes, I hear.
What a powerful bass, huh?
Yes.
This is Lugansk.
Baby.
We still have a lot of ideas, but we really don't have enough money. But you, our viewer, can help us in our experiments. With your help, the video will be released much more often. You can rest assured, we won't let you down. We have not yet fulfilled thousands of ideas. On our channel you are waiting for grandiose experiments and incredible discoveries. You can send help here and here. Well, in such conditions, I have to edit the video.